I'm dangerous, Jerry. I'm very, very dangerous.
All started with a big bang.
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Leonard, I'm scared again.
Well, I enjoyed that more than I thought I would.
Me too.
I look forward to your next birthday when we do it again.
That works for me.
I enjoyed that more than I thought I would. I don't think I can walk right now.
Sheldon?
Arthur, what are you doing here? I don't think I need any more advice.
I was just curious. How'd it go?
It was amazing. You know, I saw it a few days later. What a movie.
But what about Amy?
Oh, she liked it fine. Yeah, but she doesn't have the history with the franchise I do.
Okay. Good talk.